video, I'm going to show you one way that you can set up this Expedition Research grill rack to boil your water very quickly without having to cut 2 logs to put this in between, because you don't always have time to go cut down a tree or the resources to cut down a big enough tree to put the rack in between 2 logs and build your fire right there. Here's the trick, is stakes. All you need to do is cut 4 stakes out of green wood so that it won't burn. And you're going to start by pounding one of these stakes into the ground. Depending on how long these stakes are, that's going to determine how high your grill rack sits, but it only needs to be 3 or 4 inches. So now that we have our first stake in the ground, we're going to measure for this second one. You're going to put these right in the corners and try to keep this as dead level as possible. And on this grill rack here, you may be able to see it's kind of cupped on one side for this outer rim, and then the grill rack is on top of that. So you put the cupped side down over your stakes, and it's going to sit there really sturdy. So we now have all of our stakes in position. I'm just going to tap them all a couple times, make sure they're in there sturdy and level. And now we have a nice level grate that we can sit our frying pan or our bush pot on, build a fire underneath, and we'll have boiling water or frying bacon in no time.